To continue keyword research, let's jump to our keyword analytics reports. There are numerous SEMrush tools for building master lists of target keywords in any market or niche. Among them, you may find the phrase match report, the related keywords report, the ads history report, the keyword difficulty tool, and the keyword magic tool. With the help of these instruments, you can identify long-tail keywords, find related topics, and narrow your results to a targetable range. Keyword research is a rather creative process. Practice as much as you can and do not be afraid to experiment. On that note, let's take the first step together.
You've seen the ads history report in our discussion of domain analytics, but let's dig deeper. Type in one of your main keywords in the search box at the top of the interface and check out the ads history report in the keyword analytics section. To discover who else is targeting for this keyword over the past year and how they manage their ads by trial and error, review the table and click the position of the ad you're interested in. Moving on, check out the phrase match report, where you'll be able to see all the keywords containing the initial one. Then check out the related keywords report, which will help you enrich the semantic core of your campaign. In all these reports, you'll see such important metrics as keyword volume, CPC, and competition level. Don't forget to use the advanced filters to streamline your research time. In any SEMrush report, after you've found the scope of the keywords you actually need, utilize the SEMrush Export Manager to assist in keeping all your findings in one place. Last but not the least, let's check out the Keyword Magic Tool. The Keyword Magic Tool queries SEMrush databases that contain billions of keywords, so it provides more ideas than any other business intelligence tool on the market. What makes the Keyword Magic Tool magical? The tool automatically breaks all the keywords into groups and subgroups according to the most frequently used words in the keywords database. The Keyword Magic Tool helps you filter or include particular keywords in the database, but you can also select keywords based on volume, particular keyword length, CPC, and competition level. While choosing the best keywords for your future campaign, don't forget to pass those keywords to the Keyword Analyzer. You can do it word by word, or send a whole group. Inside Keyword Analyzer, take a look at your perfect set of keywords and phrases. Clicking the Update Metrics icon will provide you with the latest information about the selected keywords. Here, you will also be able to see the current top 10 results for a given keyword, but note that your own pages may be included. You'll also be able to see all search engine results page features that might distract people from your ads. After you're done with keyword research, it is recommended that you export your keywords to the PPC keyword tool, which will be explained in the next video.
A couple of tips here. First, whenever possible, use the advanced filters. The Keyword Magic Tool has advanced filtering for volume, keyword density percentage, cost per click, level of competition, click potential, and search engine results page features. SEMrush power users know that advanced filtering allows them to find the information they need to take actionable results faster. Second, note that the Keyword Magic Tool works based on lists. Third, note that SEMrush allows you to export lists of keywords to a Microsoft Excel file.